Hello friends, welcome to my channel techgitter. In today's video we will discuss the steps to activate your United Healthcare OTC card for use at Walmart. You will usually need to follow the steps provided by the card issuer. Make sure you have received your UHC card and that it is the one you want to use for shopping at Walmart. UHC cards may be associated with different health plans or benefits, so make sure it is the right one for your needs, e.g., HSA, FSA, or other eligible account. Review activation instructions. UHC usually includes activation instructions with your card. Be sure to read them carefully. Activation may require you to call the phone number on the back of the card, or you can visit the UHC member website, www.uhc.com, and click Sign in for card activation. If you are already signed into your account, you can enter your username and password. But if you haven't registered your account, you'll need to go to Register Now. You can also use the United Healthcare mobile app to activate your card by logging into your account and following the prompts. Enter your first name and last number to register. Enter your date of birth and then register using one of the following: member ID or Medicare number, and click Continue. If you have problems during the activation process, contact UHC customer service for assistance. The number should be available on the back of your card. Once activated, your card will be ready to use at Walmart or another eligible provider. How to use your United Healthcare OTC card at Walmart. Using your active United Healthcare OTC card at Walmart is similar to using a regular debit or credit card. 1. Select eligible items that fall under OTC health and wellness items and are covered by your United Healthcare plan. 2. Approach the cashier for payment and inform them that you will be using your United Healthcare OTC card for payment. 3. Swipe or insert your card. 4. Enter your personal identification number PIN to complete the transaction. Check your United Healthcare OTC card balance. To check card balance, visit the United Healthcare OTC card website. This is usually listed on the back of the card. Log in using your account credentials. Follow the prompts to verify your card and check the card balance. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share it. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.